Whether you're buying your first turntable having just discovered the joys of vinyl, replacing a dusty old turntable, or looking to upgrade your existing record player, we can help point you in the right direction. In this video, we are featuring some of the best turntables available on the market. Whether you want to spend big or small, we got something for all. Make sure to watch the video till the end to find the best turntable for you. Number 5. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT. Audio-Technica boasts a long legacy of creating consumer turntables, but its latest models are looking to the future with the inclusion of wireless Bluetooth connectivity for cable-free listening. The NL60XBT, which combines high-quality record playback with the convenience of wireless operation according to the company, is a great example of how turntables are being refreshed for the age of wireless audio. Overall, the design of the NL60XBT is both pleasing and functional with a matte black plinth and space-saving sleek build. It's also incredibly light, coming in at just 2.6, thanks to its extensive use of thin plastic. The downside to that is while its neat dimensions and lightness could be an attractive feature for those who are short on space. With a budget-friendly price, easy assembly, and the convenience of wireless playback, the NL60XBT can make a fantastic first turntable for any fledgling vinyl enthusiast. Number 4. Rega Planner 2 Turntable. Rega Planner 2 sits between the great entry-level Rega Planner 1 and the audiophile-approved Rega Planner 3. The Rega Planner 2 was first launched in 1976 as one of the very first turntables Rega put on the market. It is definitely a turntable with a respectable heritage. It was renamed P2 in the mid-80s, but is now sold under its original name, Planar 2. The Planar 2 comes with a high-gloss acrylic laminated plinth that I personally think looks fantastic. Rega simply make their turntables look more elegant and more expensive than their competitors. Rega actually offers a performance pack for the Planar 2, which is probably a strong confirmation that there is a lot more performance in the turntable left to be tapped into. The Rega Planner 2 is a fantastic turntable, and in my opinion, the best sounding and looking turntable you can buy under $1,000. And the journey doesn't stop when you get the Planar 2 in the house. It has a lot more sonic potential that can be tapped into if upgraded with a higher quality cartridge and a well-matched phono preamp if you have the determination and budget down the line. Number 3. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO. Pro-Ject introduced its first debut turntable at the end of the last century, and it's been refined, upgraded, and become increasingly expensive ever since. This debut Carbon Evo is the most refined and upgraded model so far, and it's also the most expensive. In terms of specification, though, the Pro-Ject goes a long way towards justifying its price. The carbon fiber tone arm is supplied with a very capable Audio-Technica or Sumica cartridge. A new motor design, some damped and adjustable feet, and automatic speed change contribute no end to improved performance and improved ergonomics. And with a choice of 9 finishes, including 5 very attractive new satin options, there's sure to be a debut Carbon Evo to fit in with your interior decor choices. Setting up is simple. Attach the drive belt, put on the plier, and attach counter and escape weights to that single-piece tone arm. Attached to your wider system with the high-quality phono leads that are included, plug into the mains, and you're good to go. Number 2. Fluance AT-81 High Fidelity Turntable. The design of the Fluance AT-81 is classic and understated. The plinth is made of MDF but is finished in a high-gloss walnut finish that gleams. The use of walnut gives the AT-81 a retro look and feel while still being modern. In terms of sound quality, the Fluance AT-81 is quite good. There's a nice amount of detail and the plastic tone arm does a reasonably good job of tracking records. The included Audio-Technica T95E won't blow audiophiles away, but it's a great beginner cartridge that has a replaceable needle that is very affordable. Since the AT-81 takes standard head shells, you can swap cartridges easily if you want to experiment, which is a nice touch. The Fluance AT-81 is the best starter turntable you can buy. Its gorgeous design and convenient features takes the headaches and stress out of setting up a turntable for the first time, and, while audiophiles won't be impressed, most people will enjoy the AT-81's mix of features, design, and price. Number 1. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB. Audio-Technica established its vinyl credentials many years ago, and the AT-LP120XBT USB is the company's latest attempt to bring a bit of 21st century modernity and convenience to the venerable format. The charm of the 120's extensive connectivity, of course, is that it's possible to hear it any number of ways. Received wisdom says it will sound best when hardwired into a system using its stereo or CA outputs. Audio-Technica thoughtfully supplies some cables, complete with earthing lead, in the packaging, bringing ultimate convenience to the world's most inconvenient audio format without reducing sound quality at the same time. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120XBT USB does more than you might expect, and in some style. Make sure to check the description box for their price and links. While you are down there, hit the subscribe button as well. We have more cool tech reviews coming up for you guys.